In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a signature in Protonmail. By the end, you'll have a professional email signature that's automatically added every time you send a message, so you don't have to type it out manually. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll land in your inbox where you can see your emails and folders. Now, we need to get into the settings area where Protonmail keeps all the options for your account. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. Click on that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. In that panel, Protonmail shows you a few basic options, but we want the full list of settings. Look for an option called All Settings and click it. This will open the main settings page where everything related to your account layout and email behavior can be customized. On the left side of this settings page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the section labeled Identity and Addresses. This is where Protonmail lets you control how your name and email addresses appear to other people along with your signature. Once you're on the Identity and Addresses page, look for the area that mentions display name and signature. Here you can set what people see in the From field when they receive your emails, and you can also create your email signature. In the signature box, type the text you want to appear at the bottom of your outgoing emails. A simple, clean signature might include your name, your job title, the company you work for, and maybe a phone number or a website link if you're comfortable sharing that. For example, you might write your name on the first line, your role on the second line, and your organization on the third line. Keep it short and professional so it looks good on both desktop and mobile. As you type, take a moment to think about how this will appear to recipients. Avoid adding sensitive information and try not to overload your signature with too many lines or images. Protonmail's signature editor may allow some basic formatting like line breaks, so use those to keep things tidy and readable. If your account has multiple email addresses or aliases, make sure you're editing the correct identity. Each identity can have its own display name and signature, so you may want a slightly different signature for personal emails and work-related emails. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Update button near that section. Click Update to apply your new signature. And this step is important. If you leave the page without updating, your changes won't be saved. After you've clicked Update, it's a good idea to test your new signature. Go back to your inbox, compose a new email, and check the bottom of the message. You should see your new signature automatically inserted. If you notice anything you'd like to tweak, just return to the same Identity and Addresses section and adjust the text, then click Update again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a signature in Protonmail, and it will now appear on your outgoing emails, helping you look more polished and consistent every time you hit send.